Brian Simmons, my father, founded OEM Controls in 1966. He was a brilliant entrepreneur, and he started a business and he built the business. And we are lucky enough to have his vision and continue it.
We're a manufacturer of electronic controls. He started the company, brought in brothers, brother-in-laws, and because he believed in them and could see the potential in them, we do the same thing today. There's aunts and uncles and kids and nieces and nephews throughout this place because we know family unit, you bring it into the company, it just makes the whole thing stronger.
When Keith and I joined, we're able to take it to the next level, which is more structure, more organization, and trying to bring a bigger team together. We have over 200 employees, and it's great. You know, being a manufacturer and what we do, we've got engineers, design people, we've got production people, and then we've got a lot of support people around them that are awesome.
We never forget the past because that's where you learn. You know, all the experiences you've had in the past, whether it's through the design process or through the employee base process of bringing people on and how we take them and grow them so they can be better for the company. You know, you could have the old school family value, but even in your house, it has to get upgraded. Everything has to upgrade, everything has to move forward. From the beginning days, as I said, the innovation was my dad said, I could do something better. So went and found a product and he started doing them, you know, a little distribution at first, but then he started building them. That's where the innovation really started, right? We can do it better. Budderfly is an instrumental in guiding us and leading us and leapfrogging us into the infrastructure that we need to keep growing and moving forward as a company.
I think what motivated them to take action now is they recognize that the facility has some serious deficiencies. They had hardworking teams doing it, but that's not their specialty. Their specialty is manufacturing amazing products and solutions, and they needed a little help.
If you look at our capabilities, we've got electronic engineers, mechanical, system, embedded engineers, software, firmware, developers, LabVIEW, industrial and manufacturing engineers. But then you look at our capabilities on the production floor. We've got a surface mount machine. We have electronic assembly areas. We have mechanical assembly lines. We've got harnesses capability, complete system packaging and creation and assembly. And then we have a metal fab machine and a machine shop.
It's a big drain and our bill is excessive. So, you know, having all these different tools that we use and all the way up to the computer power that we have, we need all that to make us stronger. And without the infrastructure buildup that Budderfly is helping us create here, I can only envision it just being a drain on our company going forward.
The capital and the skill requirement to essentially replace that energy infrastructure is very difficult. And manufacturers are worried about their shop floors, their plant floors, and they're investing in the equipment to build the products that they sell, but not necessarily their HVAC equipment, lighting, hot water, heat. And as a result of that, the aging has created a pretty inefficient outcome.
We spent a lot of time talking with the Budderfly team. They did an awesome job of understanding our situation. We had a lot of skepticism in the beginning, but their patience, their diligence, understanding who we are, and coming up with creative solutions really made it easy to work with and make the decision to go with Budderfly.
In this case at OEM Controls, we have invested approximately about $1.5 million. Between the solar, we put in 18 ultra-high efficient HVAC units. We replaced the lighting through in and out of the building with really high performance lighting, which frankly makes a better working environment for employees, hopefully better output for what they're actually building.
The most compelling results they're going to see and feel is consistent lighting and heating throughout the building and cooling in the summertime. That's an immediate experience, and that's what they'll probably value the most. But what's going on under the hood, so to speak, is all the efficiencies that's going in. New equipment across the board, new roof, solar, all this incredible technology is contributing to tremendous savings.
I think the example we're setting is that even a small manufacturer can do this. There's always been pushback from companies our size because it's just so expensive. It's so expensive you can't possibly get into this. But Budderfly made it so easy, the implementation, and made it so affordable to get into this.
We just see this as a part of the big picture of trying to be the best that you can be. And this is how we can ensure proper facility for our people, We can ensure that we're saving money, but we're also helping make a better carbon footprint and be a world-class organization to network and help everybody in the community grow.